Today I'm going to take you through my gravel setup for the Dirty Reiver 200, 200 kilometre off-road gravel event in Kielder Forest. So yeah, starting with the frame, it's a TCX in size medium. It's one of the bikes I rode all season last winter. I'm running Parker Grimper wheels on it. They're awesome, set up tubeless. I've also got an info crank on it from Jam Cycling, mega solid parameter. The chainring I'm running is a SRAM 42 tooth, and the tyres I'm running on the Grimper wheels are WTB Riddler 45mm wide. They just fit in my frame. There's not a huge amount of space, but these rims are quite stiff, so I'm not too worried about tyre rubs. The saddle is a Giant Contact. I'm running a little tool roll under my saddle, and then a frame bag in the middle that's going to carry all my food and extra spares. Brakes are SRAM Rival, and I'm running 155mm rotors front and rear. The cassette is an 11-36 SRAM, and I've got a mid-cage derailleur. I've got a Lifeline Wahoo mount that's also a GoPro mount, which is ideal for filming, and I'm running Specialized 42cm standard drop bars. I'm running XT pedals, and then I've also got 2 bottles and a mini pump, and that is me pretty much sorted. There's nothing else that I would need to carry, and I think it's going to be a pretty solid setup for this year's ride. So yeah, look out for videos coming soon from the Dirty Reiver, and yeah, see you in the next one.